Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of building a simple chatbot in Python using the Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK. NLTK is a powerful library for working with human language data, and it provides tools for text processing, tokenization, stemming, and more. Before you start, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download and install Python from the official website, Python Downloads. Additionally, you'll need to install the NLTK library. You can do this by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Open your Python environment, example idle, Jupyter Notebook, or any code editor, and create a new Python script. Start by importing the required libraries. Define pairs of patterns and responses. These pairs will be used by the chatbot to understand user input and generate appropriate responses. For simplicity, let's create a few sample pairs. Create a chatbot using the chat class from NLTK. Pass the pairs and reflections to the chat constructor. Define a function that takes user input, processes it using the chatbot, and prints the response. Call the chatbot_main function to run your chatbot. Run your script and start interacting with the chatbot. Type different inputs and see how the chatbot responds based on the defined patterns. Congratulations! You have successfully built a simple chatbot in Python using NLTK. You can enhance your chatbot by adding more patterns and responses based on your specific use case. Explore NLTK's features to improve the chatbot's natural language processing capabilities. ChatGPT.